My name is Shaderica Henderson, and I am a student success coach here at Johnson C. Smith University. Today, I would like to speak to you all about the importance and how to set an appointment using EAB Navigate, better known as BullsNav. Before we get to that, however, I know you're probably wondering, why do I have to use this app to set appointments? Well, not only does the app show you all of the members on your success team, such as your advisor, your success coach, and your professors, it also shows you, or allows you rather, to make appointments utilizing the appointment icon. In order to know how to make an appointment through BullsNav, stay tuned for the next steps. In order to make an appointment with any faculty or staff member here on campus, you will follow these steps. First, you will go to the BullsNav app and select Appointment. From there, you will fill in the required information, selecting the person that you would like to meet with, the availability of the date or time, and then you'll hit Submit. That's simple.